Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Bhagavad Gita as it is, 16th chapter, text number 6, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 13th of December, 1976, in Hyderabad, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam
Dovutasa Goloke Asmin Daiva Asura Evacha Daivi Vistara Saprokta Asuram Patame Srino. There are two classes of men within this world, Daiva, Asura, Evacha. One class of men is called Daiva, Devata, or the demigod, and the other class, Asura. Sura means civilized, and Asura means not civilized. Kirata Hunandra Pulinda Bhukkasa Abhida Samba Javanaka Sadaya. These are amongst the non-civilized men. Formerly, the kings of Bharatvarsha, India, they used to kill these uncivilized men. Bad example. They did not follow the Vedic civilization. So, the king's order was that they should be killed. If they are too much prominent, it's like they are hunting in the forest. So there is history about King Bharat. King Bharat, under whose name this planet is called Bharatvarsha. No, not that Bharat. There are three Bharats. One Bharat is the son of Rishabdev. Another Bharat is the son of Maharaj Dushyanta. Another Bharat is the younger brother of Lord Ramchandra. Out of these three Bharats, the son of Rishabdev is the person after whose name this planet is called Bharatvarsha. So another Bharat was the son of Maharaj Dushyanta. He was very powerful, supposed to be a partial incarnation of God. So in his life, he would not allow the uncivilized man to exist. He was king, he used to kill them. Why uncivilized man, even the Kshatriyas, if they are not ruling properly according to the Kshatriyas, Kshatriyas are supposed to be the ruler of the world, but if they are deviating from their duties, Parasuram, the Brahmana, would kill them. On the whole, in the Vedic civilization, everyone should be in order. That was the setup. Nobody can act independently, killing the human civilization. That was not possible. Maharaj Prithu was personally checking whether people are following the varnashram dharma. A Brahmin must follow the Brahminical rules and regulations, otherwise he would not be allowed to call himself a Brahmana. Similarly, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Sudras, this is called secular state. Secular state does not mean everyone is irresponsible. You must be responsible for your particular type of duty. And the government has to see it that everyone is doing that. That is secular state. Lord Ramchandra, when he returned from the forest, in his absence, Bharat was ruling, and when Bharat requested Lord Ramchandra to take charge of the kingdom, Lord Ramchandra was ready, but he first of all examined whether the citizens were following the varnashram dharma. When he was satisfied that the citizens were following the varnashram dharma, then he took charge of the kingdom and began to maintain them just like father. This is the relationship between the government and the citizens. The citizens must be law-abiding and the government must rule over them just like father. Father is not unaffectionate, father is affectionate, and even the father chastises the son, that is not out of affection, that is also affection. So that was the relationship. So the Asuras, they do not know this. Only the Devatas, they know. So there are two kinds of men, Gau Bhutasad Gau Lopyos, means Daiva Asura. So Krishna says, Daiva Vistarasa Prokta. Krishna has already explained in the beginning which are the qualification of the Devata and what are the qualification of the Asura. So qualification of the Devatas, Abhaya Satta Samsiddhi Jnana Yoga Bhavastiti Danam Damasta Jaggascha Sadhyaya Stapvajavam Ahimsa Sattam Akrodham Tyaga Shanti Rapaisanam Daya Bhuteshu Alolukyam Adamam Hi Achapalam Tejat Samadhiti Saucham Agroha Natimanita Bhavanti Sampadana Daivim Abhijatasya Bhava. These are the qualifications. Daivi Sampa, Abhayam, where one should be fearless. Who can become fearless? One of the qualifications of conditioned soul is fearfulness. Only a person who is advanced in Krishna consciousness, he can become fearless. And Sattva Samsiddhi, our this Satta existential position is impure, diseased. Therefore we die, again take birth. Asuddhi. So Sattva Samsiddhi, one should try to purify his existence. For that purpose, there is necessity of tapasya. Tapo dibbang putraka jena suddheta satya. Tapasya means austerity. If you want to cure your disease, then you must follow some austerities, rules and regulations. One man is suffering from diarrhea. If he is allowed to eat whatever he likes, then it will never be cured. He must observe fasting for a few days, then it will be cured. This is Sattva Samsiddhi. So we are put into this cycle of birth and death. If we don't correct it, correct means we shall be less attached to the material enjoyment. So long we are attached to material enjoyment, we have to transmigrate from one type of body to another. So, Vaipu Sampad means those who are devotas, their first business is how to rectify this disease condition of life, repetition of birth and death. Everything is there. Sattva Samsiddhi Jnana. This requires jnana, knowledge. Unless I know what is my position, why I am dying, what is death, this requires jnana. Jnana vijnana masikam brahma karma sabhavaja. That means we have to become a brahmana. Then you will have complete knowledge of Ayanga Sattva Samsiddhi Jnana Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhavasthiti, Dhanam. Those who are Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, they should give in charity. That is also one of the Sattva Samsiddhi. Damasya, to control over the mind and the senses. Yagyasya, perform this yagya, Harisankirtan, in this age. Yagyasya, sadhaya, must read Vedic literature. Stapa, arjavam, tapasya, austerity, arjavam, very frank, no duplicity, arjavam.